Now all I have to do to take this gun, change it from the 5.56, it's just this bolt. So badass. Pop this pin. I'll pinch your hand. Take out the bolt. Comes with a little protector on there. I need to get a nice little PVC pipe with plugs so I can carry that in there without a fear of like bashing it around in my backpack.
Oh, that's a good idea. Whip up like a case for it.
Yep. Slide that in. Boom. Close this up. Got some 5.5. Sorry, some 22 magazines. Got a little wiggle in there, but it still pumps them out. This is something that everyone who owns an AR should get yourselves one of these conversion kits. This is the Bravo 22. Yeah, the Bravo 22 conversion kit from Palmetto Armory. And we're going to put it through its paces here today. I'm going to be running some of this ammo right here. It's meant for it. This is the box that it came in. It came with 3 sets, 3 magazines, 3 25 round magazines. And so far, I've only put in like 75 rounds through it, but I've filled the magazines all the way up to the top, and it has no flaws. Just pumped them out, fed them through. So, let's have some fun. See how well it runs in this conversion kit. First failure. I'd say she's accurate. So one hiccup. That first round didn't seem to want to work. That could have been, if we count that ammo, I might have put one too many in there. That was a possibility.
So I got 3 of the shots.
I had to.
You did the wrong order too.
Did I?
Yep.
Sexy.
Penelope.
Oh.
Cruz.
I want Sexy Cruz Penelope. Oh, shit. Yeah, okay.
Yep.
Huh. Why did my brain go like that?
I don't know.
It's weird.
You want to try it again?
Yep.
I have no idea if this thing was facing you or not, but alright. Fucking totally awesome. Picked it up. 6.58. Train, fight, savage. Train, fight, savage. $6.89. Again, I have no idea what this thing's seeing or
It'd be so much faster once you had the letters memorized in their sights. You know, then you'd be like ting 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 ting.
Here, run it for me for a minute.
Fuck Valentine's Day. It's just for the fucking birds. Start.
Fuck Valentine's Day?
Yep. Nice. And it's still.
Yeah, you literally gotta be standing like here.
All right. Son of a bitch.
One more time.
Airplane window down. Airplane window down. I gotta be closer now.
Ah!
Double jam. Triple jam. Oh no. That happened to me once too.
Motherfucker.
29. Ready?
Yep. One more to left.
28.4.
Sweet.
Seems to be a pretty good standard, 0.8.
$105.
Ready?
Oh, but took long.
Ready?
Yep. Eesh. Them damn high rate. That feels smooth though. They're practicing that at home. That seems to be dropping right in place. Cool.
Want to go?
Sure.
Nice.
0.19. 1.9. You ready? Yep. 1.1. You ready? Ready. Nice. 0.92. Saw that. That was good. You ready? Ready. 0.95.
Ah, I missed. Shot real low. Okay, I gotta redeem myself.
Nice, 0.92. Nice job. Crushed gravel.
Yeah, right?
I was like, what the fuck? Was that a Magnum in there?
See if I can get that thing to spin again in this angle.
It's like 8 to 10 grand.
That A is hard for me to get.
Nice.
There you go, nice. Show off.
Yeah. Neighbors are probably like, what?
Alright, here we have some of the cheaper ammo. Everybody says this stuff's garbage, it gunks up your stuff. I'm gonna try some of that right now. See how well it runs in this conversion kit.
Hey, you want to do some? You doing moving stuff?
No, I'm just checking the, the reliability of this ammo. Seeing how accurate it is from, how many yards do you think this is? Like 30?
20, 25 maybe, 30-ish, 25, depending on your...
What target I'm trying to
I
go
think
after?
this was the 25-yard line I drew.
Oh, okay.
I think.
That's that Remington ammo. Oh, failure.
Good old Thunderbolt.
Another one. That's not good. Failure. Jeez. Look at that.
Double feed.
It sent it right up and pinched it in. That's not good at all. Look what that did there. Put that camera in there. It literally fucking bent that casing. So I'm not using that ammo in this fucking thing anymore. Pinched that freaking thing.
Stovepipe.
Hardcore.
Yeah, Thunderbolt
Still one in there.
sucks.
Yeah. Don't use that.
And it gums up your rifling.
I could tell when I was shooting it that it was more smoky too.
Yeah.
Like the powder was just like, whew. Back to running some clean ammo.
Land, I just bring that tiny, I bring Adam with me. I set up, shoot some shooter.
Definitely runs way cleaner with that stuff. Not smoky either. Sorry, I started shooting. That is a fun. If you have an AR, get yourself one of these conversion kits. It's a game changer. You can get used to your regular rifle, and it's not going to break the wallet. Because man, I've already pumped 150 rounds. That'd be like $80 at 5.56.